Okay, so I haven't seen anyone open this too. An Austin Haley Roadster from Matchbox Cabriolet, and this Mercedes-Benz CLA Hot Wheels from the H case. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Let's start out with the Mercedes. I have to be careful because this is a new knife. I don't want to cut myself and go to the ER. So what happened here? What's that? I don't think it retracts. I think that's why this knife is not that expensive. All right, let's look at this much closer. Out of the card, it looks really nice. May need some updating, or we may have to change the way it looks. So this is what casting is this? It doesn't say. It doesn't say what casting. I'm pretty sure there's a code in there that would say what year this thing is. Like this, for instance. This code would probably tell me what year, but I don't have it offhand. So that's that. Let's look at this Austin Haley. Let's go ahead and oh, it cut. That's why I was afraid of cutting through. It cut through my. See how sharp that thing is? Gotta be careful. All right, let's look at this guy. Man, why is the flash on? All right, turned it off. So we can take a look at what this thing is. This casting is what? Doesn't tell me what. It's a 1963 Healy, Austin Healy from Thailand. This one came from Thailand. 2018 casting. I mean, they're pretty cool European cars. I haven't seen anyone open this too, so there you have it.
A few moments later.
Alright, let's see what's on the target today and see if they restock. Oh, they did. They restocked the vintage racing and the remaining bag warmers are the Jag, the Corvette, and the Lancia. There's no indication that we can tell if there was a gold or not, because the Golf, Porsche, and the Ferrari are gone. So I can't tell. Maybe there was a good. So 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 8, 9. Maybe 3 sets, 3 cases. But there's nothing. Nothing this morning. Wow. Alright. There's nothing. Ooh, that's good. Nothing else. Time to go. Looks like we found one vending machine at Food for Less. What do they have? Scarlet, $4.49. Oh, the $26.49 here is $26.49. Purchase limits. All right. Okay, so in this session, we're gonna open up 2 pickup trucks and 2 SUVs from Matchbox and Hot Wheels. We're gonna open up a Pantone, a Matchbox 2024 Toyota Tacoma, both Tacoma, and the other one's 2020. We're gonna open up a Matchbox 2019 Toyota 4Runner and the 1993 Toyota 4Runner from your Hot Wheels Boulevard. So let's go ahead and crack it open. So let's go ahead and start off with the Pantone. All right, let's do the surgery and open this card. Now I haven't been I didn't hunt today as I just got busy doing too many things today, and so we're gonna just start with unboxing some of the things that we have collected during the week. So let's go ahead and look at it one by one. I gotta be careful. Don't want to cut myself. That's a new cutter. All right, let's start off with this Pantone. Pantone paint is not too bad. From Thailand. This is a 2021 casting. Nice looking TRD stripes, but because it's Pantone, everything is green. Haha. Not bad. Let's look at this. Let's see if I can focus. Come on, focus. This Hilux. Man, focusing on this new iOS version is not as good as I thought it would be. Wow, it's like watching a... There we go. You can barely see the undercarriage of this Hilux. Nuts. Let's look at that. As you can see, they're almost the same height. All right, let's open up this 2019 Matchbox. Get that one out of the way. Let's open this guy. Gotta be careful not to cut my hand, as this thing is very sharp. It's a very sharp cutting tool. Safety first. There we go. Let's cut this open. Let's look at this Matchbox. Okay. It's 2020 what? 29. What casting is this? 2020 casting. Yep, it's a 2020 casting. A typical modified off-road 4Runner. Front is updated. You get a plate number at the back. What does it say? Man. TRD? Yep, it says TRD. Okay, what about this Hot Wheel Premium. Let's see if we can focus. What does it say? 93 SR5. It is a 93 SR5 Toyota 4Runner. I mean, it looks good though. Except for maybe I'm not in favor of this chrome trimming. Otherwise, it's nice. It's a good looking SUV. See, they're the same height. Nice looking rear. The height is not that bad. Overall, nice looking casting, I might say. There you have it, folks. The Toyota trucks and your SUVs. All right, we're checking our local pharmacy, and we're trying to see if there's anything in on the pigs. What in the world? Oh, it's not. I thought it was something good. Is it a G case? Alright, there's no gold. Let's see, what is this? What case is this? OMG, it's a G case. One of the cases that I don't like to see. Alright. They have a lot of lowrider cartooned. And there's no chase. Yep. No chase. Alright, let's see what else is here. You just never know, you need to keep scanning. Just to check all that is done. Just need to double check. I'm not sure if I should pick this up. It's Fiat 500. Alright. There is nothing I can see. Alright, time to go.